What's up, guys? Drake from Driven by Drake here. In this week's video, we're finally taking the 240 to the track. It is nothing special. It's not like Some Point. It's a nice private track, and I believe I'm the only driver for today because I put in a special request. But yeah, so we're gonna be driving for a couple hours. I got everything I need. We're on the way right now. We got a 40-minute drive ahead of us. 40 minutes is not really that much compared to a lot of other tracks in my general area. Other than this track, Summit Point is the closest. All the other tracks, hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, like VIR, that thing's fucking far as fuck. But this track is awfully local, and I never knew about it until my brother sent me this listing, or this Instagram listing about it, and I was interested. I really wanted to take the car out on track because I haven't been on track in a very long time. If I remember correctly, back in November, I think I was last time I drove. Right now it's August, late August. So we've had a lot of improvements on the 240 since then. So I've never driven with the angle kit, never driven with the bucket seat or the quick release, and some other things and this and that. But it should be a nice refreshment of getting back into the motorsport and creating content for y'all. So yeah, for the remainder of the drive, I'm gonna have a little bit of fun and have a little bit of enjoyment. Dude, I need a hydro.
I know, I thought you were about to yank an e-brake for a second when you came in.
Dude, I was yanking that shit and it wasn't going anywhere. I'm going straight. I'm like, dude, fucking work.
Fuck the e-brake. The Cobalt's got a good e-brake, man. This fucking thing needs an e-brake.
Yeah, dude. I mean, when I'm already sliding and transitioning, it works.
Especially when you're trying to manji through here and trying to connect that first turn. The e-brake's pretty important.
It is.
With low power like this.
I'm surprised I could do this whole thing in first gear. You know, I might have to go in second and try faster.
Hell yeah. I would say that's what Sean does, a little bit of second gear.
Mm-hmm.
That's all KA will do. That's all
Yeah.
it needs,
Third gear, yeah. Ain't happening. Let me think how I'm doing this. It's been so long. So we're doing pretty fucking well on track, which is surprising. I've yet to lock up my angle kit, meaning I've yet to hit max angle, and I've had pretty good grip. I can basically do the entire track in first gear, but I do want to try second gear. But it's definitely a very nice, calm track. You can have the boys out, surrounded by forest, you got privacy. And yeah, we're just going to continue on for a couple hours.
You're good.
All right. That was pretty good. Spun out once because I'm having two problems. One, the handbrake is not gripping up, and the second one is I can't shove it into first because it starts grinding. So it's either I stay in first, shift to second, and stay in second, or I stay in second and stay there. All right. So I let the car cool down for like 20-30 minutes. I didn't want it to get too hot. Everything looks good. We're about to go and do another couple laps. It's getting somewhat late. I still have to go and buy the bucket seat. But we're just gonna have a little more fun, try some new things, maybe go and connect the course in second gear, maybe. I'm not too sure, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Let's just keep on driving. Any body damage?
No, it's just fraying apart.
Damn. Let me check it. So I blew one tire. The other one's on the verge of blowing. I'm way past the wire, and I have no other spares. So I gotta go put on my, regular everyday tires that I use. And plan is, I'm gonna try a lower horsepower, or sorry, not lower. I'm gonna try lower PSI on the other wheels, like 30 PSI, because I'm running 50 PSI in the back. So I'm gonna do 30 instead, and we'll do like 3 more laps, and I'm just gonna call it a day. Go out, get some food, enjoy our time, and then go pick up that bucket seat, and we'll be fine.